why don't I take you guys inside their dugouts? Tara! Hi, Ate Line!
Ang ganda naman eh.
Of course! Hi, Jenny! I'm very girl siya today. Hi, Pashiola! Hi, Micah! Hi, Ju! Ganda niya na to.
Thanks.
Ay, dito tayo kay Ate Jo. Hi, Ate Jo!
Pabebe and
Hi! Panduan lang tayo. Ano po yung pakiramdam na part ka sa pag-angat ng Seas from no wins to now, nasa championship na kayo?
ano pala no, like nung after ng game namin, hindi ko siya sobra talaga nagsisink in. Nandito ako sa Zeus kasi gusto ko talaga malaman ko ano pang purpose ko. Kasi for so long, di ba, parang ang tagal-tagal ko na naglalaro. Huwag na natin bilangin. Oo, kakaalaman eh. Pero parang sa tagal ko na naglalaro, parang naging routinary na lang talaga siya sa akin. So parang pagdating ko dito sa Zeus is mas bumukas, mas naging maliwanag yung purpose ko. And ang sarap pala sa feeling ulit na makaapak sa championship kasi nakalimutan ko yung feeling. Di ba? Ang tagal. Maganda naman siya.
Ate Jo, huwag kang umiyak. Pero gusto ko kita tanungin na personally, syempre very emotional ka after nung semifinals. Kamusta ka na yun? Ano yung nasa mindset mo leading up to this championship?
Nakakatuwa kasi parang align kami and the same page kami ng bawat isa. Nung napakagaan na i-give back mo, ibalik mo sa kanila kung anong pinaparamdam nila sa iyo. So kaya siguro naging ganito kami yung team kasi align kami, pareho kami ng mindset.
Well, Ate Jo, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck to Zeus. And that's it from me here from the Zeus Coffee Dugout. We did get a little Hi everybody, I'm so excited to be the official insider of the Petrogas Angels for this year's Reinforced Conference Finals. So let's check how they're doing before the game. Thank you. Hi. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Dito ka na naman.
Yes, of course. Uy, Mami G. Taguan tayo. Fast lang. I want to ask, how does it feel to be in the PPL finals for the second time this year?
Normal. Joke. Hindi, syempre, excited and a little bit, syempre, kinakabahan. Pero, I know naman na magiging maganda yung result for this day.
Yes, very, very excited for this game. Talagang against Zeus Coffee. I want to ask, after everything you've been through, after the All-Filipino Conference, what would winning this conference mean to you?
Syempre, thankful sa lahat for bringing us here again in the finals. Sobrang malaking to sa amin kasi we've won the championship and then syempre, hindi naman laging panalo pero this time, we will do it again.
Yes, very, very excited. Thank you so much, Mami Chi, and good luck to the Petrogas Angels. I'll see you later. Well, you heard it.
Sa mga anak ng pagsuway.